In this video, we will show you how to transfer iCloud photos to Google Photos and offer you an easy way to transfer photos directly from your iPhone to your computer. Part 1. How to move iCloud photos to Google Photos directly. Apple has introduced a new feature that allows you to directly migrate photos from iCloud to Google Photos within the data and privacy settings. This enables you to migrate iCloud to Google Drive directly. Step 1. Visit the Apple Data and Privacy login page. Step 2. Log into your iCloud account using the correct login details. Then navigate to the third option, Transfer a copy of your data, from the new interface, and click on Request to transfer a copy of your data. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Google Photos as the destination where you want to transfer your photos. Then check the boxes for photos, videos, or both, and click Continue. Step 4. Confirm the storage space requirements. Then log into your Google account where you want to transfer your iCloud photos or videos. Step 5. Click the Allow button to grant Apple Data and Privacy permission to add photos and videos to your Google Photos. Step 6. Finally, review the details one last time and click Confirm Transfer. Note: the Apple Photos to Google Photos transfer process may take 3-7 days. If you cancel the transfer request before it's completed, the copied content will remain in your Google Photos. Part 2. How to send iCloud photos to Google Photos manually. With the manual transfer method, you can complete the transfer instantly without waiting for several days. Step 1. Visit iCloud.com and log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Then click on Photos. Step 2. Select the photos you want to transfer to Google Photos. Then click the Download button at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Next, visit the official website of Google Drive and log into the account where you want to move the photos using your details. Step 4. Click the New button, then select File Upload, as shown in the image below, and choose the photos you downloaded from iCloud. Your iCloud photos will be immediately uploaded to your Google Photos. Part 3. How to transfer iCloud photos to Google Photos via Google Photos app. For users who prefer to utilize mobile devices to upload photos from iPhone to Google Photos, the Google Photos app provides a convenient solution, and you won't need to manually download photos from iCloud Photos. Step 1. If you haven't already installed Google Photos on your iPhone, start by installing it. Step 2. Go to Settings on your iPhone Photos, select either Download and Keep Originals or Optimize iPhone Storage. Step 3. Launch Google Photos. Tap on your account profile at the top right corner. Go to Photos Settings, then select Backup and Sync. Step 4. Enable Backup and Sync. This way, photos can effortlessly move to Google Photos, and this won't alter anything on your iCloud photos. Bonus: how to transfer photos from iPhone to computer. In addition to transferring photos between cloud services, sometimes you may need to transfer photos directly from your iPhone to your computer. Coolmuster iOS Assistant is a tool that can help you easily accomplish this task. Step 1. Open the software and connect your iPhone and computer using a data cable. Trust your device to securely establish the connection. Step 2. Once your device is detected, you'll see the main interface with easy access to all features. Step 3. Navigate to the Photos folder, preview the files, select the ones you want to transfer, and then click Export to start the process.